today's episode 2 of the Rank and Rent. Today we're going to be getting the domains. So finding the location, getting the domains, going through our sheet. Once again, everything from these videos will be in the second link in the description where I have the waitlist for my course, everything from all the videos in a library, and then exactly what I do, how I do it, how to rank in the top 3 on Google or do it for other people. And then if you want to book a call with me, first link in the description. I love talking with you guys either way if we end up working together or not. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Rank and Rent game plans. You saw this in the last video. We have the first one, which I'm going to go with concrete leveling. Residential 500 to 2500. Commercial is the target that we want. If we can dispatch commercial leads, that would be phenomenal. And I keep seeing videos over and over again, people with podcasts talking about rank and rents. I think I saw one with, it's Edward Stern maybe. He posts SEO videos all the time, but he just interviewed a guy that has been doing this for 11 years, says rank and rents are the move, they work, and I'm testing it for real in front of everyone, which no one ever really does. Okay, we'll do all 3 in this video and I'll show you how to do it. So Texas, great. And I'll give you the prompts and everything, how to do this step by step. And by the end of the series, you guys will have everything in the course. Just sign up for the second link in the description. I'm waiting for that to get to 100 to 200 people that actually want this. And if no one wants it, perfect. I don't want to give you guys anything you don't want. So I'm just thinking Texas, expansive clay soil, notorious statewide, enormous, self-renewing demand, perfect. Concrete. There's an exact match domain right there. So Texas. Let's see how much traffic these guys get, just to see. Site Explorer, this is Ahrefs, SEO tool. You guys really won't need it. You can just go for it on your own. Looks like 61 traffic, so they might be getting a decent amount of leads. That's pretty good. A lot of link building. We'll definitely be looking at guys like these. TexasConcreteLeveling.net. There we go. We got a couple other. And you really only need a couple leads. If you got a few 10K jobs, this one's pretty rough and they rank. That's what's sweet. Wow. DFW concrete leveling. There's a site right there. People are doing it all over the place. Okay, this is what Claude spit back out. Their pick, Omaha, Nebraska. Texas is a trap, not the top market. Texas has the most soil demand and the worst SERP in the country for it. Perfect. We'll go Omaha. So mudjacking is the native term there. So I guess we'll try that. Let's see if that is open on Namecheap. So this is where you would go to buy the domain. This is where I buy all of mine. It's taken. Registered in 2015. Seems a little big. Got one. mudjackingomaha.com. There it is again. I mean, if you guys don't think this works, this is proof right here. These are sites doing it. So we need to find somewhere a little more niche. Okay, here we go. So we got Naperville in Chicago, Overland Park, Kansas, Broken Arrow. I've been to Naperville, so I think I'm going to try that. Mudjacking Naperville. Save concrete. Looks good. I don't see an exact match domain. Pretty happy with that. Let's try concrete. Saveconcrete.com. Perfect. We're going to go with Naperville for the first one. So let's find. All right. Now we got a huge list. So we're going to go through these. Naperville concrete leveling. We'll try that first because that one is about dead on as it could be. Taken. There we go. Concrete leveling. Naperville.com. Let's try that. Registered in 2025. Wow. Mudjacking Naperville. Let's try that. Boom. We're going to take it. Add to cart. Water damage restoration. Websites is the big gap. We have systems where we'll pretty much pick up every exact match domain for every service for our client. It's pretty much 10 domains for exact match services and exact match suburbs. So any lead coming through those sites in their area goes straight to my client. So it's a bunch of microsites. They conquer the area. Pretty much any exact match term they know they won't get outranked by because all those leads are going to them anyways, which it's pretty extensive. The setup is a lot because it's separate phone numbers per site, and then all those are redirected to them. And then the contact form fill outs also get forwarded to them. If someone is interested in that, they want to dominate their area for every exact match domain for their top services, book a call with me. It's a big setup, but then a very low retainer. And then we got our options. Sugarland, Texas. We'll see that. And go to Google. Consider entering through mold instead. So mold remediation. All right. Mold remediation. Yelp lightning speed restoration. Okay, after a little bit of research, we're changing up a bit on the water damage repair. We did a rankability test. So definitely going to give this to you guys once we're ranking. And apparently it takes 3 to 6 months. That's what everyone is saying for rank and rents. Does Google run local service ads for the category? Is it a search picker? Water damage restoration is both. LSA, wall plus 2 a.m. phone. User who taps the first thing. So crawl space encapsulation. Ticket. 8 to 20K. LSA, no. Researches for weeks. Rankability, perfect. So this, I'll build a separate skill for a rankability for you guys. We'll go commercial multifamily, just because if you got a couple of commercial leads, that would be insane. By the end of this series, I will give you guys all the cloud skills you need to just hit the ground running. You can pick a suburb, either somewhere you live, or you can use the tool. It'll find the locations, find an industry, and then list like that. You're not competing with local service ads or the map pack as much. It's more niche. And then you can do research on Google, see if someone else has already tried it. I would just pick where you guys live, somewhere you know. But all of that will be in the second link in the description. I have a library. Everything from this series will be in it. I'm just waiting for a set amount of people to be on the wait list so that we know people want this, which I would. It'll speed up your process 1,000 times and you actually know what you're doing, especially once we get into the website building, the templates, what I actually do for clients, and then the link building is the hardest part for sure. IrvingCommercialRestoration.com. Let's try that. Go to Namecheap. Boom. We got it. We're going to keep it simple. Try to rank these, see if we get any leads. Do it all in public. Let's go with that really quick. And then let's go to our third and final domain, commercial kitchen hood cleaning. Here we go. Finally one we didn't need to pivot off. So verdict, don't pivot. This is the best of your three: concrete leveling, commercial restoration, hood cleaning. Who would think commercial hood cleaning was the best option? Reoccurring, yes by code. Mandated, yes. Local service ads wall, no. Incumbents, weak. All right, legally required, on a schedule. That is extremely ideal. And if you guys want to copy me, I don't mind at all. Obviously, you can do whatever you want, but just so you know, I am supporting you guys with this. Target a barbecue city. Perfect. Marketplace, Nashville, Tennessee. So let's try NashvilleHoodCleaning.com. NashvilleHoodCleaning.net shows up. So that people have tried it. Let's see how much traffic their website gets. 10 organic traffic. So we'll see. They built quite a few backlinks. Let's even see if these are best links. Best links only. Show results. 2. So this is definitely where we'll beat them. Link building is pretty much my agency's specialty. We find our client, find all the best websites in the same industry, scrape their backlinks and all their local backlinks, and then scrape the emails off those websites and do manual outreach to each client. And we make sure that every website we go to has high domain rank, so domain authority, and traffic, which when you're paying thousands for these other links, most of them don't have a good domain rank and don't have traffic. And if they do, you're paying insane amounts for these links. It's nuts. Okay, so Nashville might be a little bit too big, even though we could get it. Oh, never mind. You have to make an offer. That's $5,000. Wow. So this is a very targeted industry. Even Namecheap themselves knows it's $5,000. You could buy it, but I am not interested. Not a bad business to start though. I mean, $5,000 to start in a pretty good industry. Okay. So Claude really seems to think that Nashville's a spot. NashvilleHoodCleaning.com taken. Nashville KitchenExhaustCleaning.com. And I searched, there's Nashville Hood Cleaning Pros, and they rank pretty well for it. So first right here, right under the map pack, no local service ads, which is good. Even the business profiles don't have many reviews. So we might try, honestly, and see, just because I know with my link building, I could beat them. And it's interesting to look at what these guys are trying. So they're getting a lot of links, home services, cleaning, but let's see what the best links are. Best links only, show results. 0 good links. So I think we can outrank them. We'll go for it. We'll build a website, see how it ranks, see if we can get any leads in Nashville, and maybe we could attach it to someone else's Google business profile. That would be extremely ideal. So Nashville Kitchen Exhaust Cleaning, NashvilleKitchenExhaustCleaning.com. We'll add to cart. All right. And now we got 3 domains in our cart. So I'm going to get all 3, but that's pretty much the end of the video. The research, finding the place, finding where to do it, if we can even rank, if other people are doing it, who we have to beat. And I'm confident we'll rank all 3 and we can beat them, especially with the link building and how we build the websites. And for the next video, we'll be building the websites for each one. So the schema, all the local markup that you need, and how we do it at scale. It's the same operation we do for our clients when they want exact match domains, a bunch of microsites. For those of you that may want to work together or understand your SEO and how you rank, book a call with me. That's the first link in the description. And yeah, I would love to talk with you guys either way, regardless of if we work together or not. Please comment what you guys want to see, any details I might have missed, and like and subscribe.